Hey guys, come and help me. I thought the next step creating my super tiny apartment makerspace was to create a better floor and organization for it. Now, I'm still far away from having a space where I can cut wood using my table saw. Unshielded, it just creates too much dust. But by getting the flooring done, then at least I have a base to start building my indoor shed. Let's see how it goes. The first thing I need to do is to temporarily fill this hole in the floor with something that can support some weight. I imagine some currently unused wood should have to suffice. So, hey guys, come and help me. Great guys, that will do.
Now, for the floor, I will use thin white laminated boards. They were reasonably cheap, seem sturdy, and if white flooring is important for Elon Musk factories, it should be a good choice for me, eh? I needed to measure and cut the first one, to make it fit tightly between the restricting walls. So, on the floor, I placed the board I had used as my workbench top. And with a 45 by 45 mm beam, a 2x2, as a spacer, I was able to make the cuts with my jigsaw. And after having made some adjustments to make it fit, I cleaned up the mess and cleared the area for the new flooring. I started by laying out some protective plastic film to protect my apartment floor. Then I put the laminate sheets in place. Making sure the plastic film came out on the top. I now realized I could try having a wood storage for my sheetwood in the Makerspace area instead of having it on my wood storage cart. The 2.2 by 1.2 meter sheets just did not fit very well when placed on the cart. I think this works better. Now I could figure out some nice way of putting all my tools back into the Makerspace area. In the process, I mounted the legs onto my table saw stand, hoping this will enable me to begin using it quicker than if I first was to construct and build some homemade fancy integrated solution. Long story short, I think this was a significant improvement. Now I can start planning how to protect my apartment from dust produced by my power tools, especially my table saw. Well, more about that in later episodes. So, there you have it. Another step in bootstrapping my tiny apartment indoor wood shop and makerspace. Thank you for watching.
If you like my videos,
feel free to do nothing. Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.